Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this quick video I'm going to show you how to replace both temperature sensor on your engine for your MX5. So basically we've got two sensors, one for the ECU, one for the gauge cluster. Neither my ECU or my gauge cluster is getting any reading since we've done an engine swap, so I suspect the engine we swapped into it as dead sensors. So in your engine bay, one sensor is nice and easy to access and replace. It's this one, and then we basically have one. I don't think we can see it from underneath, but there is basically one underneath the cold pack which we could access, but we probably need to remove the cold pack bracket so we can get it out of the way and access it. Anyway, let's tackle the easy one first, and then we'll move to the rear. So first you want to unplug, and this one you can see here at the top, that's the bit that need to press in, press hard, and it should come out. There we go. And then basically you want 17mm, and we can unscrew it. Now our one is what you call a manky sensor. Even seems to have like, I don't know, maybe a bit of rubber or something, but yeah, anyway. When it's out, maybe have a little bit inside, make sure nothing fall in there, and then get your new one, turn it back in, and those are the torque settings. Alright, it's all happy in there. While I was in there, I've actually changed the thermostat on the gasket. If you need to do that job, it's easy. Get the right gasket and thermostat for your carrier, etc. 212 bolts. Take them out. The car needs to be cold, don't do it with a hot coolant. It won't go anywhere, it's literally just like, you know, a pile there. Put the new part in, tighten up again to that amount of Newton meter, and you're all good. But anyway, back to our temperature sensor. Again, 212mm, one here, and then there is actually one on the side there. Look here, I've got a Mark II one. That's what the third one, I mean. One sort of like that. Also, as you can see, the Mark II is not quite the same. The bolts are on there, even though it will be in the same location. But anyway, let me remove those two, and then we'll see whether we actually have one at the bottom or not. A lot of the time, because it's a pain, if that has been removed, the third one is rarely put back on. Like if you look basically at the end of the wrench, that is where your bolt is, 12mm again. Once it's broken loose, with a bit of luck we'll be able to turn it by hand. And then this is basically where I'm routing my hand. As you can see, my fingers can actually reach it. Alright, with the whole part removed, that come easy. Don't worry about that, that wasn't attached on mine. I need to clean that up, but yeah, you should be able to just, it's quite heavy, be able to take it, get it out of the way. And that little green plug there is where our sensor is. And for that one you're going to need a 19mm spanner. So what I like to do is break the bolt loose first before I remove the plug. That way we can see around the plug nicely. As you can see here, we've got a metal bar that go around, little clip there, flat all the way, and on that side essentially it is the same. So if you turn it all the way, there you go. So you can see this one actually it's a bit broken there, but small flathead screwdriver underneath the metal bar, and you pass it over on both sides, then it come out easily. I'll do it off camera because it's not easy with one hand. Enough for getting it out. Interesting to see what state that one is in. Much better. And yeah, so essentially now it's in reverse. Put it back in, torque it up to those spec, put the plug back on, put the coil back on. On the new one, as you can see, there is a little washer there. My one wasn't off and it kind of stayed attached to that. Now it's gone, but I kind of had to force it out of the way, so make sure it is off on yours, otherwise you risk a chance of doubling them up, which eventually could cause issues. And here we go, all done. And that's it for this one, guys. Really, I mean, just it's a nice one, quick job, and the sensors are rather inexpensive. If you have an MX5, check out our playlist. Quite a few videos on that, and plenty more coming up. Just literally in the process of turboing it, so I'm going to do a DIY video, and it's going to be very much an eBay build, so everything on the chip, but still properly with standalone ECU, boost controller, and all that good stuff. Anyway, see you in the next one. Bye.